Ever feel like you're maxed out in the gaming world? Like you've conquered every quest but still crave something more? Let's be honest, who hasn't gotten lost in a video game for hours on end? Back in college, that was definitely me. I was a champion grinder, racking up epic wins, but only in the virtual world. Don't get me wrong, gaming gave me a sense of community, a place to belong when I felt like a total noob in real life. But here's the question that started gnawing at me. Was this the only way to connect and feel accomplished? That's when I stumbled upon something incredible, a hidden portal called Discord. It was filled with these amazing people called coders who spoke a whole new language. At first, I felt like a total noob, just throwing questions left and right. But guess what? They welcomed me with open arms. The more I learned, the more I realized coding wasn't just about creating programs, it was about unlocking a superpower within myself. Remember the satisfaction of grinding for that next level in a game? Coding has that same feeling of progress, but with a real-world impact. Every line of code you write, every bug you squash, it's like building a piece of your own world. The hours flew by, but unlike gaming, I wasn't just escaping. I was creating something tangible, something I could be proud of. This grind felt rewarding, not just time-consuming. Let's talk about escapism. Gaming was my escape from reality, a way to forget about my problems. But coding became something more, a portal to a world where I could build something beautiful in the real world. No more ramen vortex for me. Now, hold on a second. Before you think I ditched gaming forever, I don't hate it, and the community is still important to me. It's all about finding a balance. Now, I watch my favorite streamers, keep up with game news, and sometimes even code while my friends play. We're still connected, but guess what? I'm also building my own future in the real world. Here's the thing. Coding can be just as fun as gaming. You get the same sense of community, the thrill of, so, are you ready to level up your life? Let's build something awesome together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more epic content like this. Now go forth, code with passion, and remember, escaping reality can actually lead you to something truly amazing.